this is a package from Florida Hill Nursery, and it took, I ordered it on the 8th, and today's the 13th. So it was very quick turnaround. Let me show you. So they just have the plants stuck onto the box. I thought about it, and it actually doesn't seem that dangerous of getting crushed because the box is just this triangle shape. So you can't really smush it in a way that really damages the plant. Look at her. I wanted a Frydek for so long now. Like every day I just go online and I start looking at photos of them, and the big ones are actually pretty pricey now. And this was only $10. So pretty. I can't wait for it to mature and get those really wonderful velvety leaves. So it's labeled Frydek here, and it comes in a little plastic wrapper. The roots seem healthy, you can see. And the second one was a plant I really didn't really know. I just wanted to get another plant to make the shipping seem more worth it. I think the shipping turned out to like $10 or something like that. So this is the pink splash, syngonium pink splash. Very, very tiny as well. Itty bitty one as well. Yeah, I know the big ones for these guys are also like super expensive, and this was only $6.99. Yeah, I'm actually really surprised with how well this experience turned out, because I have seen, you know, in some other reviews that people talked about really long delay times, not being able to get through to customer service, bad packaging, etc. Here they are, both potted up. They look so cute in their little 4-inch terracotta pots. Like I said, between the time of me placing the order and actually getting the plants, it was from the 8th to the 13th, so 5 days. That includes placing the order, for them to process it, ship it out, and then actually getting to my door. Yay! Honestly, I'll probably order from them again, as long as it's not winter, because they don't ship with the heat packs. Been pretty lucky. The weather has been nice recently, so yay!